In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite task management tool for in 2021. I'm going to show you the tool itself, and then I'm going to show you how you can use it for task management. So the tool I would like to show you and that I personally use is Trello. So Trello is a free project management but also task management tool that you can use. You can sign up for free, by the way. You don't need a premium plan. The way Trello works is that once you've created an account, you can create a board. So Trello is working with boards. So I'm going to click on one specific board to show you what it will look like. So this is called a board. So on here, you can add other people, but if you're doing task management for personal use, it's probably not necessary. But what you can do is create these lists and then cards as well. What I'm going to do right now is create a brand new one so that I can show you guys how you can do it. So if you click right there, create new board, you can call it personal tasks, for example. You can call it literally anything you want, and then you can click on create board. What you can also do is start with a template. If you click on that, you'll find all of these templates that you can choose. For example, if you click find template and then you do task, you can see daily task management or daily task planner. So you can choose any of these. So these are templates made by other people. If you go to productivity, you can then find all of this, and then you can actually use the template yourself as well if you would like to do that. So that's what I like about this specific tool, about Trello, is that you can find templates that other people have made. You can use their workflow, and that's just pretty cool. So as you guys can see, this is the backlog to do today, done today, and then the specific dates as well. And all of those are listed on here. You can see that these are old dates, but you can always change them, of course. You can do that by simply clicking on it, and then you can change it. So maybe for tomorrow, which for me is, let's see, is Wednesday, the 6th of January. So you can just change it like that. Now, if you don't like this, you can create your own one as well. What you would do is simply do what I just did and then click create board, just like that. I do want to mention that on Trello, for the free personal account, you can use up to 10 boards. I found that to be more than enough. If you want more, then you would have to upgrade. But this is how you can do it. So right now I've got my board. So what I can do for task management is pretty much create these lists, right? So this is a list. So I'm going to say tasks and then right there for this week, for example, depending on what you would like to do. And then done for this week. And then I'm also going to create another one, working on it, or in progress, or whatever you would like to use. I'm going to drag this one over here, and there we go. So what I can now do here is add specific tasks that need to be done this week. So I can say create 5 videos, clean my room, or whatever, right? Drink enough water. These are just random things, right? Make a logo. So this is where you can write down all of your tasks. Now let's say that right now I'm working on these 5 videos. What I like to do is drag this over here so that I know I'm working on it. I then also click edit label, and I use orange to do that, so that I know I'm working on it just for the visualization. And then when I'm done, I move it over here and then I add a green label. What you can also do is click create new label, and you can add a text in that specific color. So now I've got blue and it says done. All right. So that's what you can do. What you can also do, and what I like about Trello, is that you can add checklists, you can add dates and descriptions and comments on your specific tasks. So let's say that I need to do a few things for this specific task, right? I'm going to add a checklist just like that. And then you can add items, right? Clean, or like make my bed, right? Make my bed, just like that. Clean my desk. Yeah, you can see where this is going. This is where you can add a checklist. Once you've got this one done, you can then check mark that, and you'll see that 1 out of 2 are done. And then if you do this, you'll see the green check mark. You know that it's done, and you can move it over there. What you can also do is add a date, just like that. You can add a due date, so maybe that will be Sunday, and then it would be 11:59 p.m. and then click save. You can then also set reminders. So right now this needs to be done before January 10th pretty much midnight, right? So what you can do, click right there and you can set reminders. You can set none at time of due date, 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 15, 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 day, or even 2 days before that. So that's pretty cool, and that's what I like about this as well. So this is what I usually do. It's this simple pretty much. So I create a task list, then a working on it, and then done. So what I do at the end of the week, at the beginning of the week, I simply write down all of the things that I need to do for that specific week. Then during the week, I move it over here, working on it. Once I'm done, I slide it over there, and then I know that all of this is done. I then also work with these dates so that I can plan when I'm going to do it, and then also these checklists to break down a specific task. But that's what I would do for task management and what I actually do myself. If this simple video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That would help me out, and that would help reach this video to more people. So yeah, you would also do them a favor, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.